All right, so that's where we're heading. You know how we do it on a Friday. We roll out some new talent.
Yes, let's do it. We're starting this morning with Beatrice.
Good morning, TVJ, Small Jamaica. This is Beatrice, also known as Baby Trish. I believe you're staying inside, and I do hope that you will enjoy this performance. Living life, flip the switch and turn it to the up top. Cruising through the city, in a me own ride. Me name and no bus, but fight the fight, you will now give it up. Vibes right, I will start lift it up. Straight to the top, them can't make we stop. Dirty bad mind can't call we no crow. The thing up, but pull the thing up. Money in a pocket, in a ears ready up. Plus we have countless party to crush. Because my kiss us a new video. This is how we living life. Flick the switch and turn it to the up top. Cruising through the city, in a me own ride, me name and no bus park. This is how we living life. Flip the switch and turn it to the up top. Cruising through the city, in a me own ride, me name and no bus park. Starlight, yeah, we do it all day, all night. From sunlight to moonlight, starlight. It's alright, it's alright.
And she not bad, you know? No, she not bad.
What's
she
your
not bad.
score?
She not bad. I think if you get her in a right environment and thing. Is how much I scored them out of
5.
Out of 5? I would give her 3.5.
Okay, I'm going to give her a 3.
3.5.
3 and 3.5. Yeah. All right, run Singer Lion. Singer Lion.
TVJ. It's a new day, yesterday gone. After some days I come, we're praying for a better tomorrow. So TVJ, the list of my song. It's a new day, a better tomorrow. No pain, no ages, no sorrow. A new day, a better tomorrow. Yesterday gone, gone, gone. A new day, a better tomorrow. No pain, no ages, no sorrow. New day, a better tomorrow. Tomorrow must come. Give them to Jah, Him who save ya. The deepest depths in my eyes, my outer. New day, that's the one I ask Him for. When I need them, go in the one them silver. A new day, I'm Jah, who them can't conquer. If I do bad, you try do good tomorrow. And I me, and you are going in a sorrow. Do good today, but tomorrow it's a new day, a better tomorrow. No pain, no age, no sorrow. New day, a better tomorrow.
Singer Lion. It's more like a singer cob.
Yeah.
But no reach
Little
lion
more
sing.
work.
Yes.
Yeah. Singer, it need little more work. I like the lyrics though.
Yes.
I like the lyrics, but it need a little more work. So I'm going to give him 2.5. I'm going to give him 2.5.
There.
A 50% that in
Wait.
someone.
Wait now. Do you do everything with your mouth?
Yes.
Wait now.
If not, that
with
it's
your
gonna
mouth.
be it's that or it's gonna be my eyes.
All right. So you give him what? 2.5?
2.5. Me give
All right. I'm going to give
2.5.
Singer Lion a 3.
A 50% singer lion. Yeah.
All right. Key was a pivotal issue a while ago though, because it wasn't on key there, Singer Lion.
And
So
little projection.
Listen. Right.
Little projection.
Like a energy.
Yeah.
All right. Is this Ixela? Ixela?
We're
We'll
gonna find out.
Yeah.
Ixela, don't rush. Well, alright then. Them say me not for rush, but me fi kill this beat quick. It a go on bad like a mother, me a beat it. Have a nice flow, use the lyrics and feel it. Change up the style, me not rush, me just a do it quick. Me a the lyrical man, send them up. Send them go at the barber, yo line me line them up. Yo my lyrics them crush like a grind, me grind them up. And anytime me step in, my lyrics them tie them up just like a shoes, let me draw them out. And them a take beer test and can't pass me out. Don't say one more word, just shut up your mouth. And them need a microscope before them find me out. Yo, I'm Ixela, the next Ixela. Me not walk with friend, me a one known Jenna. But on the beat, and me bad acapella TVJ roll out. Say you know we a shella, hey we a shell on the beat them. And everybody them know me in the street them. Them around come up me and greet them. Real star, we no fake like Kylie them yo. Watch Neville do the dance it go so. Simone get up, yeah you know that a trouble. Them try one me down, but me dig through the rubble. Good morning Jamaica, good vibes we a juggle. Hey we a juggle like the one Maradona. Positive vibes that daily bring on a lively up the show, pure laughter and drama.
Boss.
Eight.
So, gosh.
8 out of 5.
Average with a 10 equals 17 out of 5.
8 out.
Wait, 8 plus 10 is what? 18.
She did,
18. My maths is off. I don't profess to be on school challenge quiz. I'm on Smart Jamaica. Them lyrics are bad.
Me not give her 5 in and then when she say Neville and Simone.
And then Dahlia.
Delia.
Yes. Also the
Ixela.
lyrics, very creative. Very, very creative.
We got a winner.
It's yours, man. It's yours, man.
We got a winner.
Ixela is the winner. Well done to Singer Lion and Beatrice. Thank you guys for participating in our virtual rollout this morning. Clive, are we taking a broke? Are we broken? Clive?
Yes.
We are broken.
With Ixela. Come in, Ixela.
All right. Run it again.
Ixela, don't rush. Well, all right then. Them say me not for rush, but me fi kill this beat quick. It a go on bad like a mother, me a beat it. Have a nice flow, use the lyrics and feel it. Change up the style, me not rush, me just a do it quick. Me a the lyrical man, send them up. Send them go at the barber, yo line me line them up. Yo my lyrics them crush like a grind them up. And anytime me step in, my lyrics them tie them up just like a shoes, let me dry them out. And them a take beer test and can pass me out. Don't say one more word, just shut up your mouth. And them need a microscope before them find me out. Yo, I'm Ixela, the next Ixela. Me na walk with friend, me a one known Jenna. But on the beat and me bad acapella TVJ roll out. Say you know we a shella. Hey, we a shell on the beat them. And everybody them know me in the street them. Them around come up me and greet them. Real star we no fake like Kylie them yo. Watch Neville do the dance it go so. Simone get up, yeah you know that I trouble them. Try one me down but me dig through the rubble. Good morning Jamaica, good vibes we a juggle. Hey, we a juggle like the one Maradona. Positive vibes that daily bring on a lively up the show, pure laughter and drama.